Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas. How to solve the hexagonal lamina by using the solid software. The problem reads as, draw the top and front views of hexagonal lamina of 30 sides, having two of its edges parallel to both HP and VP, and one of its sides is 10 from each of the planes of projection. The surface of the lamina is inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to HP. So this is the problem which is given to you. How to solve this? By using the solid software. First we will go for the solid screen. So this is the home screen of the solid edge, wherein it has been fixed to A2 size sheet. Now I will going to change it to A4. So to do that, just take the cursor to the lower left corner on sheet 1. Right click on the first button. Right click on the button of the mouse. Click on sheet setup and take the background sheet. Go to A4 and show background deleted. Remove it. Now it shrinks to A4. Now I want to set the display to A4. Just you go to fit option and you fit it. Now we will write the text. So to do that, so go to text here, then come down to Times New Roman and you take the font size as 4. The problem will be typed in text 4. Draw the top and front views. So I will start typing this. So draw the top and front views of hexagonal lamina of 30 sides, having two of its edges parallel to both HP and VP, and one of its sides 10 from each of the planes of projection. The surface of the lamina is inclined at an angle of 60 degree. By holding the Alt key, type 0176 and release the Alt key, 60 degrees to HP. And then right click to close the text. Now you go to move, disable copy and move it. Now go to zoom window and bring it near to the screen. Now go to into the sketch, enable endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical, and all other options you make it disabled. Now we need to write the solution. So first we need to write the hexagonal lamina. So you write the hexagonal lamina in horizontal position first. So go to line, select this line width, make it 0.05. This is the first step what I need to do. So take any point and from there take the distance as 30, angle is 0, then you take 30, angle is 60, then you take 30, angle is 120, then you take 30, angle is 180, then you take 30, angle is 240, enter, then you take 30, angle is 300. Okay. So this is the hexagon. Now what I need to do, I need to make it as a group. So you just go to group, select this entire thing by holding the first button of the mouse, drag it such that all the sides is kept inside the box, and then release the first button of the mouse. So all these sides will going to be selected at a time, and then right click. Now you go to select, go to this, any one of the edges, click on line width and make it 0.5. Now I want to rotate this. So go to move, select this, take any arbitrary point, go to move, rotate, disable copy, select this, take any arbitrary point, and from this horizontal direction you make it this to be vertical. Okay, then go to move, select this and place it wherever you want. Then from here you draw a line of any length. Okay, now you go to line, take endpoint, then from here take endpoint. Similarly from here you take endpoint. Okay, then go to trim all these sides. Then go to select this line and make it 0.5. Now we want to name them. So first you go to split this line till here, then you make it as a group. Okay, select this line and make it as a group. Now you go to text, take the text height has 3 now, because only for typing the question you are going to take 4. So you take small letter A, B, then you take C, then you take D, E and F. Okay, then right click, come down to this zoom window, then go to move, take this and place it appropriately nearer to that corner, each of these corners. Okay, then go to D, then E, then F. This is the first thing. Then go to fit, then go to zoom window. Now you go to text and here you type A dash, then you take B dash, then you take C dash, then you have D dash in bracket, then you have E dash in bracket, then F dash in bracket. Then go to fit, go to move, these are zoom window, go to move, take A dash, take B dash and you take C dash. Okay, similarly you take D dash, then E dash, then F dash. So once this is over, so now you go to extreme left corner, take endpoint and draw a horizontal line of any length. So go to text, here put the caps lock on, type capital X and you write VP and you write HP. Okay, so here you go to move, take this out and you take this out and you take this out. So this is resting on HP, but what I want 10 mm above HP. So since I want 10 mm above HP, so one way of doing is I will take the XY line. So you go to offset, take the distance as 10, okay, and take this line and offset it here and go to line, okay, draw a vertical line of any length and then you extend this till here. Okay, okay, then you delete this. This is the one which we can do that. So move, place it here, HP, then you take HP here, VP here, then go to split this line till here, then go to delete this line. Now you go to move, take this and keep it here. So 10 mm above HP now. Now what I want, then I want two of its sides parallel to both edges and 10 mm from each of the planes of projection. One of the sides is 10 mm from each of the planes of projections. So I have taken both the sides are above HP by 10 mm, that is C dash, D dash and A dash, F dash. I want one of the sides should be above HP by 10 mm. So either you can keep it on A dash, F dash or you can keep it on C dash, D dash, because both the sides are perpendicular to VP. Therefore, you are getting a point here. Okay. So to do that, I will go to move, enable copy. You select this entire thing and move it here. So since I want there is no display should be along the y direction, so you keep it y 0, so it moves only in x. Okay. Once you do that, then go to rotate. Okay, select this, take endpoint of this and this endpoint, you rotate it by angle of 60 degrees to HP. So since you are giving positive HP, so it will come down, so you take it to the top and then click. Now again, you go to line, you take endpoint of this and draw a vertical line. Similarly, from here, you take endpoint and draw a vertical line. And then from these two, that is from these two, horizontal. Okay. Similarly, from A and C. Okay. Then go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Similarly, between these two. Okay. Once you do that, now you go to zoom window, go to move, disable copy, you select this and keep it out. Okay. Then go to fit. So now, similarly, you draw a vertical projector from this line. Okay. Till here. Similarly, from E, draw a horizontal projector and also from B. Then go to trim corner between this point and this, and also from this point and this. So once you do that, now we have the hexagon. So now first we are going to copy the front view. Go to move, enable copy, you take A dash and keep it here. Then F dash, keep it here. Similarly, B dash, keep it here. Then E dash. Then you have C dash. Then you have D dash. Okay. Then fit it. Now you come down to the bottom. So go to line, take intersection part of this to end point to this end point. Similarly, end point of this to end point of this to end point of this. Okay. Now we go for splitting. Split this line till here. Then you split this line till here. And then you split this line till here. Similarly, you split this horizontal line till here. And this horizontal line by till here. Then go to select. By holding the shift key, you select all the 6 sides of the hexagon and make this as 0.5. Similarly, you select between these 3 lines and make those two also as 0.05. Okay, fine. Now I want to go for a group. So select this entire thing and make it as a group. Okay. Now I need to write the top view. So to do that, I will go for move, enable copy, you set A and move this here. Similarly, B, move this here. Then C, you move this here. Then D. Then E. Then F. Then he says, so I will take a line command. I will draw this, extend this line till here and go to extend. Okay. Now he says one of the sides, 2 of its edges parallel to both HP and VP, and one of its sides 10 mm from each of the planes of projection. That is C dash, D dash is above HP by 10 mm. So obviously that should also be in front of VP by 10 mm. But here it is perpendicular to VP. So what I need to do now? I need to move and copy this here. Then I need to rotate. Okay. Select this and you take whichever the position you want. You make it horizontal. Then you enable this. Then go to move, disable copy, you select this, select this onto this, and you keep it, it should be 10 mm in front of VP. So go to offset, take 10 mm in front of VP, select this line and offset it here. Then go to move, select this and take this nearest point to nearest point of this. Then go to select and delete this. Okay, now we have the point. So one of its sides is 10 mm above HP. So what I can do now, I will draw a line from here. Okay. Now I want to name them. Go to move, enable copy, you take A and you remove this. Take A here, then B, then C, then D, okay, then E, then F. Okay. Now I need to draw a line from end point, draw a horizontal line. So till here and also from till here. Now you go to trim corner between these two and also between these two. Okay. Then go to line and take the end point of this. Okay. From here also and also from here, and then go to trim corner between these two and also between these two. So now I want to trim this line till here and here. Okay. Now we have all the points. Then go to line, draw a line from end point to this end point to this intersection point. Okay. Similarly, from this end point to this end point to this end point. Okay. Now I need to split this line till here and then this point till here. Okay. Now I need to name them. Go to text. So which is this? This is A dash. Go to the caps lock, A dash. Then we have B dash. Then we have C dash. Then we have D dash. Then we have E dash. Then we have F dash. Okay. Then go to fit. Then go to zoom window. Now here you move this. Disable copy. You take A dash. Now you take F dash. Then E dash. Then B dash. Okay. Then you have C dash. Then we have D dash. So here you put this as capital 1. Then go to move, select this and keep it here. Now you go to split this line, it's already done. Okay. Now you go to select. By holding the shift key, you select all these 6 edges, change it to 0.1, and then you select this line and make it 0.13. Okay, this is the XY line what we are talking about. Okay, similarly everything is fine. Now once you do that, now I want to give the dimensions. So to give the dimensions, go to styles, click on ISO, modify, click on general, make it black, all these black, because I will going to take the printout in black and white. So go to text, come down to Times New Roman, and the font size you take it as 3. Go to rights and coordinates, make this as 0.1 and say OK and say apply. Now we want to give the dimensions. So to do that, here you take a distance between this line and this line, you will be getting 10. Again from this to this, you will want to take it as 30. Okay. Then you have angle between this line and this line, you will going to get it as 60 degrees. Similarly, you measure the distance between this line and this line, you will going to get 10. So 10 mm above HP and also 10 mm in front of VP, and two of its edges parallel to both HP and VP. Two of the edges means what? A dash, F dash and C dash, D dash are both parallel to HP, and also AF and CD are parallel to VP also. So this is how you will be able to write the solution or draw the solution by using the solid software. And how do I know that my problem is right? You can see here, draw the top and front views of the hexagonal lamina of 30 mm side, having two of its edges parallel to both HP and VP. That is here. You can see the two of the edges, that is A dash, F dash and C dash, D dash, is parallel to HP, and AF and CD both are parallel to VP. And one of its sides is 10 mm from each of the planes of projections, which is the one of the sides C dash, D dash is above HP, and the same CD is in front of VP by 10 mm. And the surface of the lamina is inclined at 60 degrees to HP. Since we have incorporated all the dimensions given in the problem in drawing the solution, and hence my problem is right. Thank you.